What's your name?
Sasha.
Sasha. From?
Hey.
From?
Russia.
Russia. Ooh, there's so many. War.
Yeah,
War.
8,000 kilometers.
No, the war.
What?
Fire. Boom, boom.
Yeah. My
Boom,
city
boom.
is good.
The not finished the war. Not finished yet. Okay. The war. Brrr,
Oh, so far.
Ah.
At home, yeah. Sometimes I hear like a air alarm,
Okay.
but no, good.
Okay. Manya dyan ang sigarilyo. Dungusan kini tagay Russia lang sigarilyo. Oh. Okay. Vacation here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
Philippines good.
you
Yeah,
have
he's my friend.
you have a girlfriend Filipina?
No.
Oh,
Just friend.
just friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're meeting in San Fernando, San Juan, La Union. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I love you. What's your
Yeah.
name?
Sasha.
Sasha. I love you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Itanin namin yan si sigarilyo. Na, aliwa talaga king Angeles City ng Caracal Foreigner. Anti mo ini ang Karagula Puso, no? What's your name, ma'am?
Josie,
From?
Mexico.
How do you do for living? Wow. Oh, may wala yung obra ka, no?
I talk to people, interview people.
Oh, what you doing here in the Philippines?
Enjoying Filipino culture.
Especially in Angeles City.
Yes,
The Kapampangan here is,
Yes.
ma'am, na English kayang magana katama ko Kapampangan. Very.
Yes, I love the
Yeah.
Philippines. I love it.
You have pocket money now.
Okay, money.
Yes. O syempre, nagbakasyon ko Pilipinas. At hindi nga, abiyan mong lalaki, minyadya sigarilyo ka ako.
I love
Katulad.
Philippines. I love the Philippines.
Kalagunan yan.
Nice people.
At saka hospitality, the Filipino. Diba?
Very nice.
O nung atso kayo mo kintarlak, paya ka nanda kayo saluyot eh. Pagluto da kayo. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lalo.
Kalaguna. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Sali ka sigarilyo mo, makona ako. Bala.
Giligil